Hello everybody, my name's Keith Towler and I'm the chair of the Interim Youth Work Board for Wales. This of course is Youth Work Week, a fantastic opportunity to showcase and celebrate what youth work does across Wales every single day. Of course we're in a pandemic at the moment and youth work has stepped up to that challenge in the way that only youth work can, using youth work principles to reach out to young people, providing all kinds of opportunities, digitally, online, providing practical support, advice and guidance to young people when they need it. The Interim Youth Work Board has had to change its focus this year because of the pandemic. The work that we're doing on developing a sustainable delivery model for youth work in Wales, our final report has been pushed into next year. But what we will be doing this year, later this year, is providing a report for the Minister that demonstrates what youth work has achieved, not just during the pandemic, but hopefully what youth work brings to young people every single day. It provides us an early opportunity actually to outline any recommendations that we might wish to make, and I'm working with members of the board now on what that board report could contain. If you have any thoughts about that, please do get in touch. You will have seen that with the help of the digital and marketing group, although we've had to suspend some of our other activities, we have been able to develop the Notion site and get some resources together, and my thanks to all members of the digital and marketing group for the work that they do. The Youth Work Bulletin is out there. Hopefully you are subscribed to it. If you're not subscribed to it, please go to the board's website and and click on the link and sign up so that you can get those bulletins too. That's our mechanism for getting information out to you as a sector. We're going to be developing some guidance with the sector and with young people on how we can phase out of lockdown and phase an increase in our youth work activities, doing that safely with the help of the Chief Scientific Officer in Wales, and of course that will have to be signed off by the Minister, so hopefully that will be with you too. But this is an opportunity this week to pay tribute to all of the youth workers, youth support workers and youth work volunteers across the third sector and across local authorities working so hard right now to keep young people safe, to keep young people supported. However you are going to showcase the work that you do this week, please use the hashtags that we've got, hashtag Youth Work Wales and hashtag Gwaith Ieuenctid Cymru. My hope is that our colleagues in health, across children's services, housing and accommodation services, the police, and of course across the education family will continue to value what youth work does every single day. This is an opportunity this week to broadcast what we do as a sector. I'm incredibly proud of the youth work sector in Wales and I'm incredibly proud of the response it's made to this pandemic. Youth work is all about young people. It's about listening to young people. It's about listening to their concerns and aspirations, acting on what they say, and supporting and working with them during this difficult time. Young people need strong youth work services, and hopefully you will have some fun this week as we celebrate all the ways in which youth work meets that challenge every single day. Have a fabulous youth work week. Diolch yn fawr iawn pawb.